Today we're making little bundles of love, otherwise known as dumplings, pot stickers, or even gyoza. This recipe is plant-based, so it's super nutritious as well. Shave your cabbage and julienne your carrots into thin slices. Slice shallots so that they are almost transparent. Slice your mushrooms of choice into thin slices. These are shiitake mushrooms. Mince your green onion. Now it's time to bring all these veggies together and show them some love with some seasoning. Three cloves of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of minced or grated ginger. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sambal oelek and a half teaspoon of sriracha. Mix all of the ingredients thoroughly. Full instructions and ingredients are found in the description. Add all of your ingredients to a hot pot. If you need a little bit liquid, add some water. Stir occasionally, but cover to allow it to steam. Allow the ingredients to cook for about 5 minutes. You want to soften the vegetables but not cook them fully throughout. Once they have softened, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. When your mixture is at room temperature, prepare your dumpling wrappers. Moisten both sides. Place a portion of your mixture inside the wrapper and then begin to start folding and pinching the sides of the dumpling wrapper until it forms a little pocket. For the next part of the recipe, actually it's kind of the last part of the recipe, you're going to need a screaming hot pan. Place some oil in it, something neutral. I'm using avocado oil and also a touch of sesame oil for flavor. Please use sesame oil sparingly as it is very strong tasting and not meant for really frying a whole lot in it. Place your dumplings in the pan, add some water, and be ready to cover it up because it is going to splash everywhere. Oil and water do not mix usually, but in this case we're using the water to steam the dumplings. They end up getting cooked from the inside, but the screaming hot pan allows the dumplings to get a crispy bottom that tastes so delicious when they're done. After about 5 minutes, this is when your dumplings should be done. They'll be ready to go. Enjoy, but you might want to let them cool down a little bit. They are screaming hot at this point. Kids, don't try this at home. I have fingers of steel at this point, but look at how crispy they are. So crunchy. I will also include the sauce recipe that I use for dipping them in. I promise you, it's absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you get a chance to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. But most of all, I hope you get a chance to make and eat these wonderful dumplings.